Well, I came to Dr. Abrams because I had a particular situation. I had surgery on my nasal passage in Miami, and the doctor had severed my nerves, which made some of my teeth go bad and eventually crunch and fall out. So I still had 6 teeth left in my mouth, so I said, I need to find someone who will be able to take care of this and give me a proper information like what he can do best for me. And I started searching, and I went to different dentists. I went to some dentists that I read about or heard about, or some dentists that I was used to and I was accustomed to. And they all gave me different scenarios and all different stories. The best referral I had was for Dr. Abrams. And the reason I had the referral for him is because that's the only thing he does. He doesn't do anything else. He does dentures, he does implants. So when you do it, when you're dealing with a dentist that deals in a particular situation, you want to go to someone who deals only in that. And I'm petrified of dentists. I'm petrified of needles and all those horrid stories that you hear. And I came here and I was immediately impressed by him, by the doctor. His family's in the business, his father and his brothers, they're all doing exactly the same thing. And also where he worked in the past, he worked at Cologne Kettering, so he had a very good reference to come to. And I very much liked that I saw right away a person that took an interest in me rather than say, oh yeah, we can do it, we'll take care of you, just come in and sit down and sign a couple of documents. That wasn't how he did. He showed me carefully the different options available to me. And we set up an appointment for me to come in. That was December 2015. And what I found is every time when I came here, I never waited more than a couple of minutes, where it's a horrible situation. Mostly in Miami, when you go to any doctor, you could wait forever. Here, they take you in right away. They set you up, and he comes in always with a smile, a very good chair manner. How are you? What's doing? He checks you out. And he very clearly gave me all the options and explained what it is that they're going to do. So I liked that from the beginning. And then we went to stage 2, where we actually set up a surgery in December of 2015. And I must tell you, I didn't sleep all night. I was petrified. When I came here in the morning, I was relaxed. He said, don't worry, it'll all be good. It's all great. And it was. It was a long surgery. It took a couple of hours. They had to take out my remaining teeth I had, and they had to drill in the bone and add bone, and eventually to put in, plugs so they could eventually put in the implants. And I thought that I was gonna go home and I was basically gonna be sick for a long time, and I actually had no pain whatsoever when I came home. Once the medication wore off, I was good to go. And I actually started looking forward to coming here. And we are now in the midst of the process, also because I left town for a little while, but we're now getting ready to work on the bottom portion. And if you want to take a picture of these teeth, they're beautiful. And I'm very happy.